Threat to internal validity. Manipulation. The control of manipulation is required to assure internal validity to research. Manipulation is when a researcher manipulates or controls the independent variable of a research project. For example, when research is conducted on a new medication to treat asthma, the manipulation comes into practice when the treatment group is given the new medication. The treatment group is then compared to the control group who has not been given the experimental asthma medication as treatment. Manipulation is utilized in experimental and quasi-experimental designs. The threat to manipulation control is characterized by subjects not being able to distinguish a difference between treatment and no treatment. In our example, that would mean that there is no significant difference between the treatment group and the control group.